Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to show you how you can turn your Kali Linux terminal into a Windows-like interface. Now, sometimes you may go to a library or you're with family members or the people, or sometimes, penetration testers, they may just use it as well. So you don't want to just, be in public and have this kind of terminal open. So if you want to change it into a Windows, so buckle up, let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. Alright, so to change this into a Windows terminal, it is very simple. What you have to do, just go ahead and open your Kali Linux terminal. So what we can do, we can just type Kali / undercover and I hit enter. As you can see, voila. So right now I have a Windows-like machine. As you can see, I've at the bottom I have Windows folders where I can open my folders. Even though you cannot open them because there's an error. But if somebody were to look at your terminal right now, they cannot really tell this is a Kali Linux. This turned into a Windows machine, and you can actually do Nmap. If you wanna try to just using it as normal, do Nmap. You can go ahead and open Wireshark, etc. So it's pretty cool. If I were to minimize everything, you can see that this looks like Windows. Now the question here is, how do you turn it off? To turn it off is the same. Let me close Wireshark. It's the same. You type the same command, Kali undercover, and then this will just put it back to Kali Linux. Okay. Right now, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to add them into the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy exploring.